the finished brows. Now, I like it. I like the finished product. I did have to finesse. Okay, so I'm sure that you guys can tell by the title. I know my face looks a little wet. I've already applied the majority of my makeup. I'm to the portion where I do like my eyebrows before I finish the rest of my makeup. So I wanted to unbox this for you guys. This is the Refy 3.0 Stage Brows. And I'm not sure if you guys are like on social media to where you see where like eyebrows that kind of look like real hairs are in. And you guys already know eyebrows ruin my life. So I am trying to try new things. And this happens to be one of them. So if this can simplify the process for me, I am here for it. So we are going to unbox it on camera, and then I'm going to do my brows and let you guys know how I feel about it. And it was pretty expensive. So a couple of reasons why I got this. One, obviously my eyebrows ruin my life. I know there are a lot of people out there who aren't good with eyebrows. My friend Marcia, I know she kind of like, I don't want to say like struggles with it, but you know, it's a work in progress. So I figured I would try this out to see if it can help to shorten my eyebrow process, you know. Alright, so it tells you on the back here, I'm just gonna put a picture of it up here on the screen because it's not focusing. So stage 1 is to sculpt, stage 2 is the pomade, and then stage 3 is the pencil. So I'm just gonna try it, figure it out on my own. So we're gonna go in with the sculpt. Try this first. Now, even though I like the whole like, you know, eyebrows looking like hairs business, one thing that I don't like is I don't like it to look untamed. So I am still gonna make sure that it's clean and like nicely shaped. I don't like that, and no shade to anyone who's, you know, if that's your style, it's your style. It's just not my personal preference, but I don't like where like your eyebrows look like they're wild. I want them to be tamed. So this is step 1. Sorry if I'm looking over here. You guys know I have my mirror on the counter. Alright. So we'll see if this is really worth $55. Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I struggled to pay $55 for this. I was like, what, $55? Ooh. But I'm like, if it'll simplify the process, because eyebrows really like, I know like I joke about it, but they really get the best of me. It's like, it's not even funny at this point. Alright, and stage 2 is the pomade, and I got it in the shade dark. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video. But yeah, I got it in the shade dark. Just because that's, I don't know, that's, I guess that's the look that I go for with my eyebrows. Sorry, I was trying to get my thoughts together. So, this is different. Got it. Okay. Trying to figure it out here. So I'm like, why is it like on 2 sides? So it's a, I guess like a tool, like an angle brush, and then like a pomade on the inside here. I'm a little confused by that because from what I saw online, it wasn't really like a pomade. It looked like it was more just like something that had like hairs on it. So we'll see how it turns out. But it's supposed to make it look like it's actual like hairs. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. We'll see what the finished product looks like, because right now, like, obviously I've never used this before, so I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I really like it, to be honest, so far. Before we finish the, I don't want to say the other side, but before we finish the other side, let's see what this is hitting for with this pencil. Because I don't like the way this, I mean, the pomade looks good on camera, but I feel like it's hard to work with. And not hard to work with in a bad way, just as hard to work with as my brow powder. So it's like, if it's not really simplifying the process, then what's the point? I would recommend waiting to hear what my final thoughts are, but this is just what is going through my mind as I'm using it in the moment. So, oh, the pencil's nice and sharp. You guys can see that. It's a nice little point to it. Oh, now the camera wants to focus. So let's see. Now I'm just trying to figure things out, so I'm not doing this in the right order. I'm just doing whatever I can to make these brows look the way I want them to look. But so far I'm feeling the pencil. Part of me feels like if maybe they have a pencil only option, which may work out better for me. I haven't used a pencil to do my eyebrows in years. Just because I've always found that the powder looks a lot more natural and it's a lot easier to work with. But this pencil is doing a little something different for your girl, so we'll see. How about trying new things here on the channel? Pencil brow, pomade brow. The pomade brow is a mess. Let's just keep it real. But this pencil brow, on the other hand, I was really saying something. I'm gonna go with my trusty brush, just cause like I feel like it's not really cleaning it up the way I wanted to clean it up. If you know what I mean. I'm feeling the pencil side. Part of me feels like if they sell the pencil separately, but then it's like if they sell the pencils separately, and I like the pomade because I actually like the way the brow looks like kind of stuck. So I'm gonna go in on the other side. Hopefully it doesn't look crazy on camera now that I have like pomade and like a pencil. The pomade almost kind of feels like glue. Kind of get the feeling it's not working because I don't know what I'm doing and I don't know how to use these products. Not necessarily like it's bad. Yeah, that's my thoughts so far. Like I feel like it's just me not knowing how to use these products. I'm gonna go in and do what I normally do, which is conceal, and then I'll fix it more if it needs to be fixed more. But right now I just need it to be a little bit cleaner so I can really get a feel for if I'm feeling this or not. So there's a little bit more pomade over here. The reason I'm using more pomade is I find that it's giving, I don't know if you guys can see like that hair's look. I don't know if that's even the right terminology, but like it's looking like hair and I kind of like that, so. Okay, so we are back. Let's try to get up close. Don't mind the blemishes, y'all know my skin is. Anyway, but yeah, so this is the finished brows. Now, I like it. I like the finished product. I did have to finesse it. I don't think it's really like beginner friendly. I think because I'm more like into makeup, like I was able to like figure out, you know, this is the look that I'm going for, but for a first time user it may be like a little bit much. I am gonna have to, now I'm not sure if I'm gonna wrap this video up. What I was trying to say, I'm not sure if I'm going to wrap this video up right now, if I'm going to use it a few more times and include that update in this actual video. But I feel as though I need to play with it a little bit more, but so far I like it. Now typically I like a more, like a lighter brow, but I found like whenever I'm doing like makeup on like YouTube or taking pictures, sometimes my brows don't show up. So even though it's a little bit darker than what I really want, I don't particularly mind, because I feel as though in some cases it does actually call for it. Now I do know, I'm going to try to pull it up on my phone because I was actually looking into it while I was finishing my makeup. They actually also carry the brow shape sculpt gel, which is something that they give you with this. I'm not sure if I necessarily need all three of these items or if I just need that gel itself. Yeah, I haven't quite figured that part of it out just as yet to see what's gonna work best for me. But overall I do like the complete look. I just had to finesse it. Like, I feel as though it could be a little bit more straightforward, but I'm not mad so far. So I will come back to you guys I don't know what I'm going to be filming again next, so maybe I'll have like different hair, different makeup, but I'm going to try it again and then come back and give you guys an update. So just in case, I'm going to wrap this video up and I may do an update on it. Not sure if it's really worthy of having its own separate video for an update on some brow sculpt gel, but so far, like I said, I do like it. So that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.